Grok is the AI assistant from X AI, and you can use it right in your web browser. In this guide, you'll visit the official site, create your account, and run your very first conversation. No install, no code, no command line. Let's get started.
Grok answers with real-time information from the web and from X. It can research topics with DeepSearch, create images, and even chat by voice. Because it runs entirely in your browser, there is nothing to download. It works on any device with a modern browser.
The requirements are simple. You need a modern browser, like Chrome or Chromium, and a free account with your email or an X account. You must be at least 13 years old. Internet access is required. Everything else is optional. There is no Python, no Node.js, and nothing to install.
Start at the official site, Grok.com. Type the address in the browser bar and press Enter. The dark landing page loads instantly. In the top right corner, click Get Started. Only use the official Grok.com address.
The sign-up page offers 4 easy options. Sign up with your email and a password, or continue with X, Google, or Apple. Let's type our email address and a strong password. Then click Continue. Your free plan is active right away.
Grok sends a verification email to confirm your account. Open your inbox and look for the email from XAI. If you don't see it, check the spam or promotions folder. Click Verify Email. That's it, your account is confirmed.
Welcome to Grok. On the left, the sidebar holds the new chat button and your conversation history. Your profile sits at the bottom. In the center, you type your question. The bottom bar includes the Attach button, the Mode selector, the DeepSearch toggle, the microphone, and the Send button.
Time for the first test. In the message box, type, "Hello, what can you do?" Then press Enter. Grok streams its answer in real time. If you see a reply within seconds, everything works. Try to be specific and ask follow-up questions.
DeepSearch turns Grok into a research assistant. Click the DeepSearch toggle so it lights up. Then ask something like, "What happened in AI news today?" Grok searches the web, reads sources, and answers with numbered citations you can check.
Grok offers 3 modes. Auto picks the best approach for each question. Fast gives quick, straightforward answers. Expert applies deeper, multi-agent reasoning, and is available on paid plans. Just click the Mode button to switch.
Grok understands files too. Click the plus button and choose Upload Files or drag a document straight into the chat. Files can be up to 150 megabytes. Then ask Grok to summarize the PDF and it reads it for you.
Two errors trip up beginners. If you see rate limit reached, the free tier allows roughly 10 prompts every 2 hours. Just wait, because caps reset automatically.
If you can't log in, clear your browser cookies, try an incognito window, and make sure you sign in with the same account everywhere.
That's the whole loop. 1. Open Grok.com. 2. Sign up with your email or X account. 3. Ask anything. Grok is free to start with Super Grok plans from $10 a month. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy prompting.